Hey, Dick and Chad. Love the show. Please keep up the great work. Today I bring to you another gadget I got. It's a 40-port USB charger. So I'm going from having 4 of these set up, and Anchor, great brand, to seeing this on Amazon and liking the look, liking the fact that it's just actually one device instead of 4 different ones, where you have power and you have, it just, these devices become unruly all over the place. So I decided to get a little bit more organized. I have 40 connections, and yes, I have a lot of devices that take USB, watches, iPads, all my kids' stuff, my headphones, everything takes USB charging. So I decided to get this and see how it works. And I'm going to set it up so it can be neater. So this is the location I'm going to set it up. Alright, let's turn it on, see what happens. That's everything plugged in. Let me flick the switch. Okay, there it goes. Everything is on. Alright. It does make noise. I wouldn't set this up in a bedroom or something. So now I've got more than enough plugs, more than I need. I am very happy with this purchase. Seems to be working fine. It's charging everything I own. Everything.